The NHM Employees Association of Meghalaya held its 4th annual general meeting at St. Paul Parish Hall in Nongpo with Nongpo MLA Miralbon's aim as the chief guest and Ram Kumar, Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, as the guest of honor. The event saw the launch of an online web portal for NHM employees and the commencement of online registration for staff. SAME praised NHM's progress in improving healthcare in the state, while Kumar emphasized the need for continued collaboration to ensure quality healthcare services for Meghalaya's residents.
I must place on record my sincere thanks to each and every one of you who have worked despite of so many challenges that you have been through during those times. But still, you didn't listen to all the criticism that has been made, but you work day and night